going to tour you around our caravan. First, we're going to show you our living room. Come here. So this is our living room. We have a nice coffee table, a seat over here.
It's not a coffee table.
And we have a TV.
What do we have over here?
We have Daddy over here. He's just watching.
What is that? Is that your visitor?
He's just watching some BBC News. And this is a heater over here. And there's some windows here where you can just look around. And then here is the where we eat. Yeah, dining table. With four seats, and
Do you want to make some?
you can. Well, you can't put a chair here because you need the way to pass. So, anyways, this is the kitchen. Come over here. So this is the kitchen. Has a stove.
Oh yeah, this is
oven and some pots.
Can I just not
and some cabinets if you want to store your stuff.
Can I just not pop this
A
stuff?
sink, which actually works.
It's a small apple.
Some more cabinets over here.
This is a small apple.
And so this is the microwave, and this is where you heat up your foods or anything you want
That's just
to put in. This is the fridge. As you see, it's very empty.
yeah, it is.
This is the freezer if you want to freeze
And this
anything.
is my cat.
And these are more closets.
This is my cat.
These are the plates.
This is my cat.
Come here and see our bedroom.
What's that?
What? Anyways, as you see, this is our bedroom, and it's quite cramped here. And these are closets and stuff. This is a heater right here, and this is Sarah's thing. And there's a light switch. That's pretty much it here.
Oh, what's that? There's a mummy.
Sarah!
Who's that?
Sarah!
Hello. Sister. Hello, Sarah.
Anyways, let's go here. Now to the bathroom we go. So this is the bathroom. This is toilet paper. There's more toilet paper here. This is a toilet, and there's this thing. I don't know what it is. This is a radiator with a towel. This is the sink with as you see, soap. And this is the shower. Yeah, shower. That's pretty much here. I mean, that's pretty much it now. So let's move on. So this is a walk-through door to my mummy and daddy's bedroom. Let's go and see. So this is the bedroom right here. As you see, a double bed with two closets, yeah. And there's some clothes here and closet here, just some stuff we need. And if you look here, this is the mirror, and you can put stuff here, which is cool. There's another closet here. I got stuck in this one because you had to do this, which is weird. And then there's this light to open the light switch to open.
Where is the light?
There's another closet. There's another closet. There's another closet.
Unfortunately, it's raining today, and we're going to make a part 2 for the caravan site, and we're going to have a Chinese takeaway now. Bye.